Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to understand how we can balance a redox reaction. So first we will understand what is redox reaction. Redox reaction is basically a reaction in which there is a reduction as well as oxidation takes place. So redox means RED, red, represent reduction, and ox represent oxidation. And I think you all know what is reduction and oxidation. Reduction is basically increase in oxidation number, is known as, actually reduction is decrease in oxidation number, decrease in oxidation number, and oxidation is increase in oxidation number. So if there will be increase in oxidation number, we will call it oxidation is happening. If there will be decrease in oxidation number, we will call it reduction is happening. And the reaction in which both reactions are taking place, reduction as well as oxidation, we will call it redox reaction. So now we will understand how we can balance a redox reaction. So there will be examples given. So we will understand from that example. So I will take an example. Iron plus 2 aqueous form plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives out Fe plus 3 and Cr plus 3. Okay, this is the question. So we will understand with that one example how we can balance a redox reaction. So if any type of question is given, first we have to do identify where oxidation is happening and where reduction is happening. After finding out where oxidation is happening and reduction is happening, we will divide this equation into two half equation, oxidation half equation and reduction half equation. So you can easily see iron is present here plus 2 and here iron is plus 3. So oxidation number is increasing. So this is called oxidation. In case of Cr2O7, which is known as dichromate ion, so first we will find out oxidation number of chromium. So how we can find out oxidation number of chromium? We have to consider it as X. Since there are 2 chromium atoms, so we will write it 2X. For next atom we have to add plus sign. There are 7 oxygen atoms, so we will put 7, and the charge on oxidation atom is -2. We will equal to -2 because the overall charge is -2. If overall charge is 0, we will put here 0. So after solving this, we will get 2x minus 14 equal to -2. So 2x minus 14, -2 when go on that side, it will become +2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 12 equal to 0. So x equal to +6. So you can easily see the charge on chromium here is +3 or +6. Okay, and the charge on this chromium atom is +3. So you can see oxidation number is decreasing in case of chromium. Here the oxidation number is +6 and here oxidation number is +3. So number is decreasing. So we will call it reduction. Okay. So now we will divide this equation into two half equation, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So what we will write? Oxidation half reaction. So oxidation is happening in case of iron plus 2, it changes into iron plus 3. This is equation 1. In equation 1 we will check number of atom is equal on both sides or not, and charges we will also check it that the charges is same on the both sides. Here iron atom is 1, here iron atom is also 1. Here charge is plus 2, here charge is plus 3. So charge is not equal, so we will equal it by adding one electron in on the right hand side, because one electron will neutralize one positive charge. Okay, so there will be plus 2 charge after adding one electron. Here plus 2 is also. So number of atoms is also equal, charges is also equal. Okay, so this is called equation 1, which is known as oxidation half reaction. Second, we will write reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. So reduction is happening in case of Cr2O7, it changes into Cr plus 3. So Cr2O7 2 minus or minus 2 you can also call it, changes into Cr plus 3. Okay, so first of all what we will do, first we have to balance other atom except hydrogen and oxygen. So here it is 7 oxygen, but we will not going to balance it first. First we have to balance other than hydrogen and oxygen. Here are 2 chromium atom and here is 1 chromium atom. So we will balance the chromium atom by putting 2 over here. Okay, so chromium atom is now balanced. Now our next task is to balance the oxygen atom. On the left hand side there are 7 oxygen atom, but on the right hand side there is no oxygen atom. To balance oxygen atom, we will add water molecule. Exactly same number of water molecules. Here are 7 oxygen atom. We will add 7 water molecule on this side. Okay. So after 7 water molecule on this side, what there is an excess of hydrogen atom, so there are 14 hydrogen atom on the right hand side. So to balance hydrogen atom, we will add H plus ion on the deficient side. There are no hydrogen atoms, so we will add how much hydrogen atom? 7 to the 14 hydrogen atoms. Okay, now atoms are balanced. Now we will check the charges. Here our overall charges is -2 and overall charges, the hydrogen is +1, but there are 14 hydrogen atoms. The total charge is +14. So -2 plus 14 it will give +12. 2 3 is 6. Here it is +6 charge. Here +12 charge. So we have to balance charge. So we will add what? We will add 6 electron on left hand side of second equation. So 6 electron, what it will does? It will neutralize 6 positive charge. Okay. So there will be 6 positive charge on the left hand side and 6 positive charge on the right hand side. This is equation 2. So in the net equation, what we have to do? We have to remove all the electrons. In equation 1 there is just 1 electron, but in equation 2 there are 6 electrons. So what we will do? We will multiply equation 1 by 6 just to balance the number of electrons. So it will cancel out in the net equation. Okay. So after multiplying 6 by equation 1, it will become, the net equation will be what? Net equation Fe plus 2. Okay, we will write the left portion on the left side and right portion on the right hand side. So 6 Fe plus 2, 6 Fe plus 3 and 6 electron. Okay, in the second equation we will write the left portion on the left side and the right portion on the right hand side, plus Cr2O7 minus 2. We are writing the net equation with the help of equation 1 and equation 2. Left hand portion of the equation 1 will be written on the left hand side in the net equation, and right hand portion of the 1 and 2 will be written on the right hand side. Okay, so Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14 H plus 6 electron. And this is the first part of equation. Second part of equation is 2 Cr plus 3 plus 7 H2O. Okay. 6 electron and 6 electron will be cancelled out. So I am just removing the 6 electron. Okay. Now we'll check number of atoms and charges. Okay. On the left hand side there are 6 iron atom. Iron atom is 6 on the right hand side. So iron is okay. Number of chromium atom is 2 chromium atom. Here 2 chromium atom. Chromium is also equal on both sides. Number of oxygen atom is 7 over here. And if 7 S2 means 7 oxygen. If S2 is not there, 7 oxygen will be there. So oxygen is also equal. Hydrogen atom, 14 hydrogen atom, 7 to the 14 hydrogen atom. Now we will check number of charges. One iron atom has plus 2 charge, but there are 6 iron atoms. The total charge will be 6 to the 12. So 12 minus 2 charge minus 2 plus 14. So it will give what? 12 minus 2, 10 plus 14. It will give out 24 positive charge total. Okay. On this side, this is Fe plus 3. One iron atom has plus 3 charge. There are 6 iron atoms. The total charge is 6 3 18. And one chromium atom has plus 3 charge. There are 2 chromium atoms. So total charge is 6. 2 3 6. The total charge is plus 24. So we can see number of atoms and on both sides are equal and charges is also equal. Okay. So in the next session we will understood with the help of new example. So now we will discuss the second example. So this is the way how we can balance a redox reaction. Okay. What we have to do first, divide an equation into 2 halves. First, before that we have to identify where oxidation is happening and where reduction is happening. Then after we have to divide the equation into 2 halves, oxidation half and reduction half. Okay. After balancing oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction, we have to balance number of electron on both the equation. In equation 1 there is one electron, in equation 2 there are 6 electrons. So how we can balance it? Just by multiplying equation 1 by 6. So it will give 6 electrons. So after writing left portion on the left side and right portion on the right side, it will cancel out. So in net equation we can add left portion. We can write left portion on the left side and right portion on the right side. Then after we will check the number of atom and charge are equal or not on the both sides. If it is equal on the both sides, we will call this equation is balanced. Okay. So this is the way how we can balance a redox reaction. Okay. So we will take another example where we can understand how we can again balance a redox reaction. So our second example is dichromate ion Cr2O7 minus 2 R2 minus SO3 2 minus, it changes into Cr plus 3 and SO4 minus 2. Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to find out oxidation, where is oxidation happening and where is reduction is happening. In case of Cr2O7 minus 2, chromium has plus 6 oxidation number. How we can find out? So we have to write Cr2O7 minus 2. Chromium we have to find the oxidation number. So first we will take it as X. Since there are 2 chromium atoms, so 2X plus 7 into minus 2. Why minus 2? Because oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. 7 oxygen atoms, so we will put 7 over here. Equal to minus 2. Overall charge is minus 2. So 2x minus 14. Minus 2 after transfer, it will become plus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 12 equal to 0. X equal to, it will give out plus 6. Here in case sulfur has plus 6. Oxidation number, how we can find out? SO3 minus 2. Here only one sulfur atom, so we will put over X over here Then next attempt we will put plus sign. 3 oxygen atom are over there. So 3 minus 2 equal to minus 2. X minus 6. So 3 minus 2. Okay. 3 2 times minus 6. Minus 2 after transfer it will become plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 4. Here oxidation number is plus 4. Here oxidation number is plus 6. Here plus 3 is already given. Now we will find out here oxidation number SO4 minus 2. Sulfur 1. Oxidation first we will take it as X plus 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 2. X minus 8 minus 2 after transfer it will become plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to it will be found plus 6. So oxidation number is here plus 6. Here plus 3. So we will see or we can see oxidation number is changing. Here chromium it changes from plus 6 to plus 3. So there is a reduction. So we will call it reduction. Oxidation number is decreasing. So it is reduction. Here oxidation number of sulfur is changing from plus 4 to plus 6. So oxidation number is increasing. So we will call it oxidation. Okay. Now we will divide the equation into two halves. Oxidation half. So SO3 minus 2 it changes into SO4 minus 2. So sulfur atom is 1, sulfur atom is 1 equal, oxygen atom is 3, oxygen atom is 4. So there is a deficiency of one oxygen atom, so we will add one water molecule. To balance oxygen atom, we will add water molecule. Okay. After adding one water molecule, number of hydrogen atom is 2, so we will add 2H plus. Before the 2 hydrogen atom we will add, and then after we will write reduction half reaction. So here we can say overall charge is minus 2, here minus 2 plus 2. So here charge is 0 because minus 2 plus 2 0. Here overall charge is minus 2. So we have to add 2 electrons on this side. Okay. So in this way charge and atom is balanced. This is equation 1. Reduction half, now we will write reduction half reaction. So Cr2O7 minus 2 it changes into Cr plus 3. Okay. Now we will first balance chromium atom. Here chromium atom is 2, here is 1. So 2 we will put 2 over here. Now we will balance oxygen atom. Here 7 oxygen atom are there and there is no oxygen atom on the right hand side. So to balance oxygen atom we have to add water molecule, exactly same number of water molecules. So we will add 7 water molecules. After adding 7 water molecules, hydrogen will be increased, so we will add H plus, because to balance hydrogen we have to add H plus. How much we are going to add? 7 to the 14. 14 H plus. Okay. 14 H plus. Now we will balance the charge. Here charge is minus 2. Here charge is plus 14. So total charge is plus 12. Here charge is 2 3 6. Total charge is plus 6. Since charge is not equal, so we have to add electron on this side. We will add 6 electron because 6 electron will neutralize 6 positive charge. So here plus 6 and plus 6. So charge will be equal on both sides on that case. Okay. So after adding 6 electron, this is equation 2. Since equation in 1 there is 2 electron and equation 2 there are 6 electrons. So we have to multiply equation 1 by 3. So this will give 6 electron. Okay. So after writing this, we have to write net equation. In net equation, we have to remove electron, and electron can be removed only by number of electron on the left side must be equal to the number of electron on the right hand side. So after multiplying 3, we will get what? 3 SO3 minus 2 plus 3S2O. This is the left portion of equation 1 and this is the left portion of equation 2. So we will again write the left portion Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 14 H plus and 6 electron after multiplying. It will cancel out. So I am just removing the 6 electron. Okay. Now we will put the arrow. We will write the right portion. 3SO4 minus 2, 3 2 ja 6 H plus 6 H plus, okay, and 3 2 ja 6. It will cancel out because there are 6 electrons which I have recently removed it, and plus 2 Cr plus 3 and 7 S2O. Okay. So after writing this, what can be subtracted? We will subtract it. There are 7 water molecules. Here are 3 water molecules. So after subtracting 3 water molecules on the right hand side, it will become 4 water molecules. Here are 14 H plus on the left hand side. Here are 16 H plus. So after subtracting, it will give out 8 H plus. Okay. So after transposition, we can write 3 SO3 minus 2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2. Okay, 3 S2 after subtracting it will become, and 14H after 6 minus it will give 8H plus. Okay, after putting arrow, 3 SO4 minus 2 plus 2 Cr plus 3, and when 3 water molecule will be shifted on the right hand side, it will, after subtraction it will become 4 water molecule. Okay, now we can check number of atom and charges. 3 sulfur atom, 3 sulfur atom. Sulfur atom is okay. Oxygen 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 7 16. 3 4 are 12 oxygen atom here, and 4, so 12 plus 4 16. Oxygen atom is also equal. Chromium atom is here too. Chromium is also equal. Now hydrogen 8H 4 2 are 8. Hydrogen is also equal. Now we will check charge. So SO3 has minus 2 charge, but there are 3 SO3, so 3 2 are 6. Total charge is, I can write here, minus 6 on the left hand side from this portion, minus 2, okay, plus 8. Minus 6 minus 2, 8, minus 8 plus 8. It will give out 0. SO4 has minus 2 charge. Since there are 3 SO4, so 3 2 are 6. Minus 6 over here, and 3 2 are 6. Minus 6 plus 6. It will give out 0. So we can see number of atoms is also equal and charges is also equal on both sides. So in this way we can balance a redox reaction. Thank you for all today's.